to know the output, use the dry run. And here is a program. It is using the function procedure. There is loop. Now let's save it first. Program 8 with dry run. Let's run it. So let's get it. Actually what would be the output of this program. So simply loop is running, we can see here 9 times, and this as variable, it is going to find the sum of all the numbers from 1 to 9, but here is step 2, means the value changes by 2 means it will find the sum of 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, let's run the program. So it is displaying 25. Now let's see with the help of dry run table that really it gives us 25 or not. Okay. Now let's go over the question 8 here. Let's make table here. So how many variables are there? First variable we need for this one, loop, yes or no? Next variable we need this one, yes, yes, and that much only. So let's create 3 or 4 columns here. First is here n equals to 1 to 9, then step 2, yes or no? Yes. Next is here s equals to s plus n, yes, yes, that must only there. Okay, let's start from here. So what is the first value of n? It is 1, yes, yes. So condition being true means it lies in that range. What is the value of s? So s equals to s is 0, yes, 0 plus n is 1 there, so it gives us 1. Next time what happens, it is there is step 2, so it increases the value by 2, so n becomes 3, again it becomes true, yes or no? Because 3 it lies in that range 1 to 9. Now s equals to, what is the previous value? S s plus n means previous value is 1. 1 plus what is value of n? N is 3, so 3, it gives us 4. Next, in next iteration what happens? 1 3, after 1 3 it becomes 5, again it is being true. Now s equals to what is the old value? 4 and plus n is 5, it gives us 9. Now in next iteration and it becomes 7 because there is a step 2. Yes or no? Yes. Again it is being true, so if it is being true then it goes for calculation, that is s equals to s means old value, that is 9 plus what is value of n? That is 7 gives us 16. Now in next iteration and it becomes 9, again it is being true. Yes or no? Yes. So now it becomes s equals to s plus n. So what is old value of s? It is 16 plus what is our latest value of n? That is 9, so it gives us 25. Now in next iteration what happens? n is 11. Yes or no? N becomes 11. Now 11, it is not in the range. Yes, last value is 9, so it becomes now false. It becomes false, so loop exits. Yes, it loop exits. As the loop exits, what is the final value of s? That is 25. We get here 25, and 25 is stored in find. So where is find? Find is here. Yes, find. This is name of function procedure is 25. S means 25. Output is 25. So that's all. It's quite simple, nothing more we have to do here. So it's very simple program we have taken here. Now let's cover the next program here. Look here, we have got same output 25. Yes or no? Yes. Now let's cover the next program. Next program is here. So let's go for this program now. Next program I'm going to take here. Let's create a new file here.